Hello, students. Very good morning to all. Once again, I'm here to welcome you in your e learning classes. Dear students, from past a few days, we are learning about the great personality and some extract from his autobiography from Long Walk to Freedom. In our last class, we came to know what is the definition of courage, about what is the definition of courage as per the opinion of Nelson Mandela. What is his perception? What is his aspect regarding this, the word courage? He says courage is not the absence of fear but the triumph over it. Hopefully, these all things, the content we have covered till the video is clear to you. Let's move ahead. What he says further, he says no one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin or his background or his religion. Here Nelson Mandela says that whenever a child is born, a newborn baby cannot create, he does not understand what is discrimination, what is segregation. He does not born with the element of hate in his heart. He does not hate anyone just because of his background, his skin color, or his religion. He just know the one thing, that is the feeling of love, feeling of sympathy, feeling of sharing, feeling of humanity. Further, he says people must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love. For love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite. He says human being has no feeling of hurt, feeling of hate. Actually, it is our society, it is our surrounding that teaches us how, why we should hate others because of their caste, because of their color or religion or background. According to Nelson Mandela, to love is more natural because man is not born to hate others. He is taught to hate others for one or another reason. And he says when a person can learn the difficult thing that we are taught from our society, that is to hate, then why can't we learn the more natural thing, that is love? It is our natural instinct that is gifted by Almighty God. And of course, we all are the children, we all are the children of our God, and He has the quality to love, spread love, kindness, forgiveness. Then, of course, their children should possess all these qualities of spreading love, spreading humanity, spreading goodness. It means that's why he supports the statement that love comes more naturally to human heart than the word hate. That's why he support this idea.